Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am joining in the hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesday, hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and Lilo Crafts. I will link both of their channels down below. I recently posted a purge and organize video on my Project Life cards. I have tons of Project Life cards. I don't craft with Project Life. However, there are other ways to use these cards, and I'm going to show you one of the ways that I use them. The nice thing about Project Life card kits is that pretty much all of the cards in the kits, and you get multiple cards, match each other. They all have the same cohesive color scheme. What I've done, I've pulled this collection, and this is the Charming set, created tags from the cards. I pulled a couple of different styles of tag dies. Like this one has the ruffle on the bottom. This one has some stitching. A square one. I cut several dies, and then with the extra paper that was left over on the card, I made a bunch of banners using some different size and style banner dies. These are the standard cards. They are 3x4. I'll show you what the cards look like after I create the tag, the little hole reinforcer, and the flags. The card went from this, and this is what I have left over. This is a great way to use up the cards, especially if you have as many duplicates like I have, to make coordinating fun embellishments. I hope you enjoy my video, and I will link the channels down below that are hosting the Embellish with Us Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.